Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to show you a super easy, super quick, delicious recipe. It is Korean beef short ribs in the crock pot. This just took me minutes to put together and it is so good. So let me show you how I did it. First thing we're going to want to do is put a liner in our crock pot just to make cleanup so much easier. And then in goes our beef short ribs. To our ribs, we're going to add 1 cup of soy sauce. Up next is 1 cup of beef broth. Now I don't have beef broth, so I'm going to add a cup of water and a beef bouillon cube. Then we need 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Then half a cup of brown sugar. Half of a tablespoon of black pepper. And then it calls for a tablespoon of sesame oil, so I thought I had some, but I don't. So we're going to use red hot chili oil because we like our dishes spicy. So I'm probably going to put half a tablespoon in there because it is pretty potent. Then we need roughly 5 cloves of minced garlic, and you know me, I like garlic. A teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Now the recipe doesn't call for this, but I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Then we're going to do 1 medium yellow onion. Now for some reason my camera cut out, but we've added our diced onions. And now we're going to add some fresh ginger. And I find it really easy to peel ginger with a spoon. And I have this really cool mincer that I bought at a kind of like a craft show. And it has a textured surface, so when you rub garlic or ginger or anything like that over the top of it, it kind of makes a paste. And so it kind of minces and pastes it for you. It makes it really, really easy. So we're going to add about a tablespoon of fresh ginger. All right, let's get our ginger in here and we will get it turned on and going. All right, we're going to stick our lid on and get it on high for 3 or 4 hours. You could also do it on low for 6 to 8 hours. Now, when this is done cooking, we're going to add the last ingredient, which is cornstarch and water, just to kind of thicken up the sauce. And then we'll chop up some green onions, sprinkle it on top, maybe serve it over a bed of rice, and it will be good to go. Okay, it has been 4 hours cooking on high, and the last step here is to add some cornstarch to some cold water and mix it up until it dissolves. And then we are going to pour this cornstarch into our liquid just to help thicken it up. So we're going to mix that cornstarch in and just kind of let it sit and set up for probably 15-20 minutes. Now I have a bed of rice here, so I'm going to go ahead and take 1 of the beef short ribs out and put it in there with the rice. And then I'm going to get some of this yummy juice here and kind of just drizzle it over my rice and rib. And as a final touch, I'm going to chop up some spring onions just to garnish on top. You could also sprinkle in some sesame seeds. I just don't have any, so we'll put a few of these in because I really like green onions. And that's that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you guys again very soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.